This is your GSL loader. And if you have 115 volts AC power and approximately 80 PSI of compressed air, you're ready to convey. Hi, I'm Lucky Lewis with Novatec Service, and today we'll be talking about the GSL loader. The GSL is designed to convey both regrind and virgin material. You have your controls over here that you will set your load time, your dump time, and you'll be able to set up whatever you need to get your material to your destination. Now, I've received multiple calls, people asking me how to get this thing running if they don't know how to get it started. And generally they believe that either the motor's bad or something like that, and it's not the case. Typically, they just don't have a demand signal, which is down here, and very quickly we get them up and running. A lot of times, you'll find customers who didn't remove the tape from their flap. The flap is the main part of the demand signal. The demand signal actuator is underneath the flap, and it has to be actuating to make the unit run. And so if the customer if he's not able to get that to actuate, then we assist him. And we help him get it to a point where he makes that switch move. Once he does that, he's up and running. You have a filter in here that he'll have to clean. You have a tilt mechanism right here that'll lower back so that you can get from the front, you can get inside and get to your filter. The blowback system on this is very accurate and pretty strong, and it'll actually keep your filter pretty clean as you do your conveying. If you let your filters get too dirty or blocked, it can cause you to have a higher vacuum, and it will wear on the motor and cause the motor to fail over time. So you want to make sure you keep these filters clean. It's a good idea to keep your blowback running and make sure you got blowback on it, and then you want to clean them on a regular basis depending on how soon they actually get clogged. On the back side of the unit, if you see this green light up, that means you have a demand signal. The unit should run. You should hear some puffs of air afterwards, and then slightly after that, you'll hear the motor start. If you don't have this green light, you don't have demand. And therefore, you're not going to get this motor to start. None of the cycle will begin. Okay? So the first thing you have to do is make sure you have your demand signal. You build it up down here, and I'll walk you through actuating the demand signal so that you can get it fired up, get your green light on. Once you get your green light on, you're ready to run. As you place the unit on the table or a nice bench, you're going to find that your demand switch is underneath. You got an actuator right here, and you can hear it clicking. As I touch it, you can hear it actually clicking. That's going to get your green light on. You click that, you get the green light on. Slightly after, you're going to hear a few puffs of air, which is your blowdown, and then you're going to get your motor running. Once your motor starts to run, you're going to be conveying. The GSL is a very simple unit. You just have a demand signal, blowback, and you have a motor that's going to turn on and run for you. So if you have any issues or anything that you can't get running with the things I just told you, you can call me directly at the number below, and we'll get you running. You can also go onto my email. We have a service account. It's service@novatec.com. On our next video, we're going to be talking about our VL series loader.